Bad accounting visibility can lead to out-of-control expenses. Imagine kung ang accounting reports mo nakikita mo lang every few months, tas makita mo ang laki ng mga expenses na hindi mo rin maintindihan ba't yung pinagkakagastusan ng malaki. Siyempre, magre-react ka, but that reaction could be too late. Nagastos mo na eh, tinamaan na cash flow mo. Your response will be very reactive, and when it comes to business decision making, hindi magandang strategy yung ganyan. Visibility is the key. Kailangan yung accounting records mo nasa iisang platform na cloud-based para anytime, anywhere, pwede mo masilip, mapag-aralan at magamit. Yung reports dapat templated na para isang pindot lang, nakakapag-generate ka na on your own without the need to wait for your accountant. And with this amount of information na readily available sa'yo anytime, you will be proactive in your business decisions at makakagawa ka ng business strategy that gives you more control sa nangyayari sa negosyo mo. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.